Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to limit location, camera and mic access for health app on iPhone. Mostly on the Strava app we'll see how to enable Strava permission like iPhone for health, GPS and more. First of all, enable location for GPS tracking. Open settings and then go to location services and find Strava in the list and set it while using the app. Turn precise location on so Strava can record exact running and cycling routes. Then enable motion fitness. Go to settings and go to privacy security and search for motion and fitness. Then enable Strava app to go on both fitness tracking and Strava. Then now Strava can record your runs and rides with full GPS accuracy, sync with health and house stats inside both app. Safety tip: if you want to share routes publicly, disable so map to everyone inside the Strava app's privacy settings. You don't want your exact home location revealed. Quick fix: if syncing fails, open Strava profile settings, applications, services and devices, disconnect Apple Health, then reconnect. Just like this, open Strava app, go to profile and then go to settings and then look for application, and then after you find your application, then go to services and data and disconnect the Apple Health, then reconnect. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.